Hey everyone, it's me Vicky. Welcome back to the family. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated Apple Vision Pro, a mixed reality headset promising to revolutionize the way we experience the world. But with a starting price of $3,499, the question on everyone's mind is, Apple Vision Pro, is it worth the hype? Let's unbox the potential of this revolutionary device. The Vision Pro is unlike anything we've seen before. It seamlessly blends the physical world with digital elements, creating a truly immersive Apple Vision Pro VR experience. Imagine watching a movie where the action spills out onto your coffee table, or attending a virtual meeting where colleagues appear life-sized in front of you. It's pretty mind-blowing stuff. Controlling this world is intuitive. You can use your eyes, hands, and even your voice to navigate and interact with virtual objects. It feels natural and responsive, making the experience even more engaging. But the Vision Pro isn't just about fun and games. It's a powerful tool for creative professionals. Imagine capturing stunning Apple Vision Pro 3D photos and videos with spatial audio, or collaborating on design projects in a shared virtual space. The possibilities are endless. Speaking of collaboration, FaceTime takes on a whole new dimension with the Vision Pro. Calls feel more natural and engaging as participants appear life-sized and adjust dynamically as more people join. It's like being in the same room, even if you're miles apart. Now, let's get into the technical specs. We're talking high-resolution displays, crystal-clear audio, and a powerful chip that can handle even the most demanding tasks. But specs only tell part of the story. Here's what truly sets the Vision Pro apart: the ecosystem. Apple is heavily invested in building a robust ecosystem for the Apple Vision Pro, with existing iPhone and iPad apps readily available and new Vision OS apps coming soon. This ensures you have a wide range of content and experiences to explore. Of course, no product is perfect. The Vision Pro's field of view could be wider, and the price tag is undoubtedly steep. But for those who crave the cutting edge and want to experience the future of computing, the Vision Pro is a compelling proposition. So, who should consider buying the Apple Vision Pro? If you're an early adopter, a creative professional, or simply someone who wants to experience the most immersive technology available today, then the Vision Pro might be worth the investment. However, if you're on a budget or prefer a more traditional computing experience, you might want to wait for the technology to mature and the price to come down. Ultimately, the decision is yours. I encourage you to do your research, weigh the pros and cons, and decide if the Apple Vision Pro review convinces you it's the right fit for you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this Apple Vision Pro unboxing and review, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech content. And let me know in the comments below what you think about the Apple Vision Pro, particularly its potential for Apple Vision Pro gaming and the Apple Vision Pro POV point of view experience.